Hello everyone, my name is Cherry from China American Engine Parts Limited. Today I am going to introduce our main products, cylinder liner kit. The complete kit number is 0382994. Let's have a look about the piston. The model number is 0382900. It's an aluminum piston with 3 rings. The top ring, second, and the oil ring. The piston rings clips pin we call the piston set. Let's have a look about the piston ring. You can see that we marked different oil number here. Top ring we produced by the NHC7, which means ductile iron developed in the 1950s. And the second oil ring, they are same material made by NHC2. It's copper alloy cast iron. Let's look back to our piston. The top ring is RFA. This is original color of shiny except the coat was phosphated. Please look at the piston hand. We show the size here. We can see that the diameter is 104.675. SP 0.10. It means that the tolerance which can be accepted. Okay, let's have a look inside. There are model number here, such as 104L28 is production number. And we have marked any logo here instead of model. The next one is the cylinder liner. This is a wet sleeve. This means that the cylinder wall is a separately machined part that fits into the cylinder balls and cast into engine block. The raw material for it is iron, which same as most of cylinder liners. The color also is the same as piston, is shiny. Okay, this is the cylinder liner kit we want to share with you today. For more information, please don't be hesitant to contact us in any time. Thanks for watching.